Hello and very warm welcome to Swift Tutorials. In today's video we are going to learn about Autolayout, and this is part 2 of our Autolayout series. If you have missed the video of part 1, then you can check the link from the below. Read more description of this video. So now open up your Xcode. I already opened up my Xcode, and the code I used in Autolayout part 1 video. And here I have two text fields. And you learned about these four constraints, that is leading, top, trailing and bottom constraints that are used to position the control and give the position from the leading side of the screen, trailing and top or either bottom of the screen. So now today we will learn about two more constraints, that is horizontally in container and vertically in container, that is this constraint and this constraint. So as the name of these constraints suggests, that is horizontally in container and vertically in container. So when these constraints are applied to the control, they place the control to the center of the container where, or you can say the center of the super view of that control. So suppose let's delete this and we will clear the constraints of this. Now you will see what happens when we apply leading and trailing constraints. So suppose I applied horizontally in container, and you can say that it makes it horizontally, that is center of the screen horizontally. And now let me apply it vertically, and it's now make this exact in the center. So if I make it smaller, then you can see it's in the center, and here it's in the center. And here it's in the center too. So these are the most efficient constraints, so that you can place your view or your control to the center of the super view. And to make the width, either you can give it a leading or trailing 20, and we will consider the safe area. Yes, it's safe, and 20. And here my text field is ready, and now I can give the height to it to 50, and you can see it's placed in the center of the screen. So here you learned about the two constraints, that is horizontally in container and vertically in container. This is a very small video tutorial. If you like this video, then please thumbs up this video and do share this video, and please subscribe to our channel so that you can get future updates for our future video release. And if you have any question, then please feel free to comment in below comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.